you come from a non-IT background pretty much, right? From your past work experience. So a lot of people that we seem to attract are people who do not have much of an IT experience or background whatsoever. So they're always constantly questioning, is this the right move for them? Because this happens to be a logical way to get into IT without doing much of a programming. So it seems a logical path, but there's a constant. This is probably the FAQ number one that I get is, I have no IT background. Is this the right thing for me? Absolutely. And coming from that feedback from you would be really valuable because you've been there, done that from having a non-IT background. So what do you think? Is it doable?
Definitely. Even I was one of them to have that question raised because I do have a non-IT background, and I was all the time concerned, will I be able to handle the real on-the-job work which is given to me? Because I think you need to be. I don't think you have to get very technical, like understanding different languages, which is actually a developer's job per se. But you need to have an understanding of certain terms like the process of testing. What are the types of testing? That is a little technical, but I think that is important for you to for you as a BA to understand while you are on the job, and understanding what platforms are developers using. That is something which you need to understand, and which is not that difficult, because you are not really ought to learn a language or something like that in this role. At the same time, you need to know what the developer's role is going to be, because you're going to be interacting with them, what a testing team role is going to be, because you're going to be interacting with them. At the end of it, you are going to understand on the job, the reality is going to be understand the business, understand what is the need of the requirement, that you are going to get an understanding from the business users. So that is the main thing, which is not going to be technical. You need to just document what they are telling you, just so that you can bring it down to the tester or the QA team and the developers team for them to develop. So that is more technical instead of, you know, uh, the actual BA role.
Right. So you certainly think it's doable?
It's definitely doable, but you need to have that constant research and reading that you have to do.
There's no substitute for that.
There's no substitute.
There's need to be a structured way of organizing this job search for sure.
So the actual instigator was requirement sync, because they knew what is available in the market, what is hot, which is the hot requirement in the market, and which is when I applied at the right time, and it just worked out.
Right, right. And Millie, I was talking about the training part of it.
Oh yes, I got good amount of training also from a consultant who is right now in Freddie. She just happened to know me well, so which is why I just took advantage, and I tried to gather what her experience was on the job front. So that helped me as well.
Right.
So keep talking to people.
And she's another example of non-IT background getting into this role.
She's a non-IT background as well.
Yes.
So yeah, that's another example. So it just boosted me up that okay, nothing is really impossible, and